Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door gasket in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket provides the airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, ice on the interior, or the door will close incompletely. If you are experiencing any of those problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. To get it apart, we need to open both French doors and then pull out the freezer door. Next, I'm going to slide the upper tray in, and we're going to remove the lower tray. And lift it up and rotate it vertically, and then we can remove it. At this point, it's better to close the doors. We'll have easy access to the gasket. I'm going to start removing the old gasket by pulling it out and inserting the flat blade screwdriver into the groove, and then pry the gasket out. And we can pull it out. All right, now I'm going to place it over the door on the top, and then we're going to slide it out at the bottom. Before installing a new gasket, make sure that this groove is clean. If it needs to be cleaned, use a sponge and warm water with a soap and wash it. This is the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's get the new gasket on. I'm going to start with pushing it under the door. Then I'm going to bring this over on one side and pull it to the right and put it on here. So the gasket is on this side, and next we're going to install the corners. All right, the gasket is installed by pressing this edge into the groove. So we're going to start with the corners. I'm going to press it in. Then the bottom corner. You will feel when it goes into the groove. Then I'm going to install the opposite corner here. And the side. Then we're going to the bottom corner. And this side up. And we can go to the bottom. Be careful because you don't see well the bottom, so we need to kind of feel that it really goes into the groove. Don't rush. Double check. Next, I'm going to close the freezer door and see how the gasket fits. Then I'm going to open the French doors, see the top, and then I'm going to place my fingers and run down the bottom. So it's good. Now we can open the door again. Now we're ready to install the lower tray. This side goes first in, the closest to you. Place it in, and then we're going to lower down the the rear side. These two cutouts goes over the pins and they locks. Now we can close the freezer door and close the French doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.